There are lots of vehicles on the roads every day. Some people commute from home to work. Others just like to ride for the joy. There are vehicles designed for carrying passengers, and then there are vehicles which hold a minimal capacity. When on the road, it's always a possible risk. People of all ages, newborns, children, and teenagers, adults young and old, are in the cars, trucks, and buses you pass while on the road. There is one thing that all of these people have in common. They expect to make it to their destination safely. One decision to run the light, text or talk, drive above the speed limit, or any other unsafe action can seriously harm or kill you as well as others. There are some drivers who have years of experience, then there's others with just weeks of experience behind the wheel. Motor vehicle crashes are the leading cause of death for U.S. teens. Seatbelts may seem uncool now, but if you were to get into an accident, it would greatly reduce the risk of death by approximately 50%. Since I'm only human, I can't make accidents avoidable, but I can raise seatbelt awareness. I just ask that all teenagers know that it's just not their lives at risk, but others, and decisions which may seem friendly may really be a devastating tragedy. Wear your seatbelts. Don't drink, use drugs, or speed. If you have been drinking or using drugs, have a friend bring you home. Call for a cab. Don't be scared to call your parents and ask for a lift. When you feel you're in a situation like this, it's your life or your death.